Are you struggling to finish your mixes? We can help you make the right choices. Before you start a mix, it's important to know what the final result should be, so you can set a clear direction. This course focuses on developing a professional mixing workflow, emphasizing the creative side of mixing, and achieving mixes with more identity. From a raw song to a finished product, we'll take you through the steps of shaping sound, controlling dynamics, and adding space and depth. Do you want to have clearer goals and improve your productivity? Our qualified teachers are ready to teach you the professional way. Sign up for this practical, hands-on course now.